Hi guys, welcome back to this quick Excel tutorials. And today in this video, we will discuss how to use Excel timeline option to filter your data, which is based on the dates. In earlier my video, I have shown to use slicer option to filter down your data. Now we have the similar option which is used to filter your dates. Like you can see that we have the date column here and the whole data is converted into a tabular form. You can see serial number, date, vehicle number, gross weight, material, tier weight, net weight, invoice quantity. All these columns are there. And this data is basically based on the weight record sheet. That each vehicle is having a gross weight, tier weight, and net weight. So if at any given point of time I want to see that in a whole year at which particular date which vehicle has arrived with how many weight difference. So I can use timeline option to filter that data. So how to use timeline? Just select your data, go to insert pivot table. It will ask for a new worksheet. Check on it and the table is already selected. Press OK and a new worksheet will be displayed. Now here are the options to use in pivot table. I want to use date option in my rows and under that I want vehicle number and the gross weight. Now this is the pivot table and it is ready. And here I can use the timeline option to filter my data. I will go to the insert timeline. It will give me option to date. Click OK and the timeline option is displayed here. So how to use this timeline option? You can see the whole year has been selected here from 2018 to 2019, but I want a data of only 2018. So I will go to the years. It will ask me 2018. I have selected 2018. Now I will go to the again this option, select month. I want a data of only February month, and you can see the data has been filtered down to February. Now I want the data by day wise. So I can go again this option, select days. I want a data of 1st of Feb. So this is a data which is filtered down by 1 February 2018. But now I want a weekly data. So I can use 7 days in a row, 1 to 7. And you can see that data has been filtered down from 1 to 7. So this is how you can use the timeline option. But why we are using timeline option is that in case of dates, it's become difficult to filter down the dates. But with the timeline option, you can filter down your dates very easily, very quickly. Just go to this option, select your quarters, month, days, or years, or whatever you want to filter down, and filter your data. Here you can also customize your timeline bar. You have other options like to change the colors. You can also customize it from you can remove your headers, you can remove scroll bar, you can use the selection label, or you can remove the timeline label. So this way you can use the timeline options in Excel sheets. You can place it anywhere in an Excel sheet, which will help you to filter down your data. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you guys. See you soon.